Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about brakes on your vehicle and how important it is to have them checked properly by a qualified technician. Now we all like to get going in our vehicle, but I tell you what, one of the things I surely like to do is stop and stop properly. The quality of brake components put on your vehicle can be extremely important. So what we're talking about today is a proper brake inspection. Number one, looking at all the components on the vehicle, whether it be hydraulic items, down to the brake shoes if you have brake shoes on the rear. If you have four-wheel disc or front disc brakes, checking the pads, the rotors, the minimum thickness on them, etc. And then of course, when doing a brake repair, doing it with quality components and replacing all the components that need to be done properly. Everything from, if we're doing rear brake shoes, we want to replace hardware kits often if the components are worn, resurfacing drums and rotors properly or replacing them if undersized. Replacing hydraulic components if they've been overheated or overextended, causing issues. Brakes should be measured by what we call brake sticks, which actually tell you the thickness. If your disc brakes are getting down to 4 millimeters, it's time to start considering brake repair by a qualified technician. 2 millimeters or less on drum brakes. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.